This restored 1949 Dodge Power Wagon is beyond cool. Produced in various forms from 1945 through 1981, Dodge's Power Wagon has endured the test of time with sheer tenacity. An absolute icon, the truck's definitive design and unrelenting drivetrain carved a path through the automotive landscape, opening the floodgates for Ford, Chevrolet, and GMC to follow. Showcasing a design. Problem is, it's often difficult to find a good one. Tough as they may be, pop the hood and you'll find an original, date-correct, 230 CIT 137 inline 6-cylinder engine, mated to a rebuilt 4-speed manual gearbox and 2-speed transfer case. Both the front and rear, it's as basic as they come and practically unstoppable off-road, so don't expect any creature comforts. There's room for 3. As a former U.S. Department of Parks agriculture vehicle, you would be forgiven for assuming that the steel body and floor had seen better days. Yet, that's because the auction vehicle has been given a full restoration with incredible attention to detail, preserving originality for a complete time warp experience. Open the door, get a closer look at the 1949 Dodge Power Wagon with Premier Auction Grupa. Follow MSN Auto's Onanda.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.